This problem is a problem to find median of the following distribution. Draw or give. We have to draw or give and locate median. So to find median from graph, we need less than cumulative frequency. Actually, two types of ogives are there. One is more than ogive. One is more than ogive. And the other is less than ogive. So for more than ogive, we need more than cumulative frequency, more than CF. CF means cumulative frequency, and for less than ogive, we need less than CF. So we try this less than cumulative frequency. So this is our frequency. Frequency is F, and less than CF, we write less than CF. So less than CF for this class means it is less than 10 and it is 7. Less than 20 is 15. 7 plus 8 is 15. Less than 30 it is 15 plus 20 it is 35. Less than 40 it is 75. Sorry, 35 plus 10 it is 45, and less than 50 it is 50. Now we draw less than ogive curve. So to draw less than ogive curve, we do let us see this board. Just a minute. Just wait. So we'll draw here this. So we draw these two lines. This is horizontal, it is not drawing. So we made this class interval 0 to 5. What was that? 0 to 5, 0 to 10, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 10 to 30. So we just mark the upper limits. So this is 10, then it is 20, 30, 40, 50. 0 to 10 it is 7. So our maximum is 50. Our maximum is 50. So we plot 7 against 10, 15 against 20, 35 against 30, etc. So if we make this maximum as 50, this is 50, then 50, then this is 40, 30, 20, 10. So less than 10 it is 7 here. 7 is here, you see. Then after 7, 15. 15 is somewhere here. Then 35, 45, 50. So 35 is 35. This is 30. 35 is here. Then 45, and then 50. Now you make a freehand curve. So from 0, 0. So this is the curve, a freehand curve we are drawing. Now 50 is n is 50. We find n by 2. N by 2 is 25, so 25 is here. So this is n by 2. N by 2. This is n by 2. Then parallel to n by 2, parallel to this horizontal, we draw this one. Then this point. This is a point. It cuts this n by 2 with the graph. Then draw this vertical line here, upon here. So this is a point. Now this is 10, this is 20, so it may be 25. So this is approximately x is equal to 25, and 25 is the median. It is the median from graph. Median median found from less than ogive graph. Less than ogive. So this is the process of drawing ogive and find median from this. So n is, so cumulative frequencies goes to this vertical one. X's are on this horizontal line, and our median is from x, the observations, and this n by 2 cuts this ogive at this point, and we find the x coordinate here. X coordinate is, count from this, it is 0, this is 10, this is 20, this is 30, so we may find this as 25, and this is the median found from less than ogive. So our answer here is median is 25 approximately. Then mean, number 3 is find mean and mode from the following distribution. So as we did in number 1, so same formula we apply and find mean and mode, and then from empirical relation, this is the empirical relation, and find mean and mode, then find median from this. So these are same. Next, this is ungrouped data. So ungrouped data is mean of the data. You just add it. So 36 plus 6. So these are xi. Is x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, x7, x8, x9, x10, x11. So 11 values are here. So total sum is summation xi by, so this is summation xi by 11. N is 11. This is number 6. Then number 7 is, so same thing, all the measures. So mean is summation xi, so this is mean. So here also mean. N is what is n here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. So here summation xi, so this is mean is summation xi by 17. This is mean. Here we have to find all the measures, means median also we need to find. So you are to find the minimum here. So if we arrange this, so arrange in some order, so ascending order we are arranging. So you go on writing. So 5, no 1, no sorry, 4 is minimum. So 4 5 4 5, how many 5 are there? 3 5s are there. 5 5 10, after 5 it is 6, then 7, then 7, after 7 it is 6 4 7 12 11 10. I think it's 11. 2 11s are there. 11, then 12, 13, 14. After 14, 12, 14, 13, 14, then 15, then 7, 17, 15, 17, 17, then 18, 20. How much it is? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. 2 are left. So 4 7 12 11 5. Oh, 5. Number 5 is 4, so another 5 is here. 5, then 7 5 1 2 3 4 6 1 7 7 is here, so 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 3 6 9 10. So what is left out? 7 12 11 11. 2 11s are there, then 12. 21. 121 is there, so this is 21. So we are arranging this in ascending order. So minimum is 4 here and maximum is 21. So 17, so mid value is 9th. So 9th value 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this is the mid value. So this is the mid value. So this is the median. So mid value, it is the median. So what you are having? So mean, you count all this, then sum this up. Summation xi 4 plus 7 plus 12 plus 11 plus 5 etc etc, then divide by 17. This is mean, and median is this, and mode is maximum frequency. Maximum frequency means how many times it occurs. So 5 is occurring 4 times. 1 2 3 4. So mode is 5 here. So frequency of 5 is 4, so mode equal to 5. So this is the way to find measures of central tendency using for ungrouped data. And then you try all this 8 9 10, you will get it. This is group data, this is ungrouped data. Apply the formula and you can find it. Next come for measures of dispersion. So measures of dispersion is range, quartile deviation, mean deviation. Mean deviation, 2 mean deviations are there: mean deviation from mean deviation from median, and this standard deviation. So 4 measures are there. So formulas are given like this. This range is this, largest value minus smallest value, as in this one. So this is a set of data. Here minimum is 6 and maximum is 67. So range is 67 minus 6, it is 61. Then quartile deviation. Quartile deviation is, it is like median. 2 quartile deviations are there. One is lower quartile Q1 and the other is upper quartile, it is Q3. And formula is, you find Q1 and Q3 according to this formula. Q1 is this, Q3 is this, just like median. In case of median, we counted n by 2 and found C, where n by 2 lies. In case of Q1, you count n by 4 and find C1. Then for Q3 you count 3n by 4 and find C3, and others are same. This is quartile deviation. And then mean deviation. Mean deviation is this one. So xi minus, these are all for, this formula are for all for group data. All for group data. This is xi minus mean modulus. It is absolute value. If we have minus sign here, we have to omit this minus sign and only consider the positive value. So, and if it is not group data, then if it is ungrouped data, then you just make fi equal to 1. When data is not grouped, means frequency is 1. So every value you are counting, and frequency is 1. So this is mean deviation from median. So first find median of the data and then make this column xi minus median, then take the absolute value, and it is this formula. Then standard deviation is this one. So for the standard deviation, this is the formula: summation fi xi minus x bar whole square. X bar is the mean of the data, and formula is this. And sometimes we use this formula also. This is as we did there, shortcut method. So di we found assumed mean a is considered, then di is xi minus a. Then we make this column summation fi di square. Then this is the formula. And for step deviation method, as in case of mean, we found this length of the class interval h, and ui is xi minus a by h, and this is the formula for standard deviation. And this standard deviation, square of standard deviation, we say variance, it is mu, and coefficient of variation is this formula, sigma by x bar into 100. So these are the formula, and you need to apply the formula and find the different measures. These are measures of dispersion. Measures of dispersion. Range is quartile deviation. Then mean deviation. Two types of mean deviation are there. One is mean deviation from mean, and the other is mean deviation from median. And then standard deviation. This is standard deviation. Then variance, that is coefficient of variance. Coefficient of variation, this is variation. So find range of the data. So minimum is 1 here. We don't know what is the data. We know only the class. So minimum value is 1, and maximum is 30. So 30 minus 1, it is 29. Then find range of the data distribution. So here maximum is, I think here it is 88. 88 is maximum, and minimum 89 is maximum, and minimum is it is 36, I think 35 is minimum. So 89 minus 35, it is 54. So range here is 54. Then median and quartile deviation. So to find median and quartile deviation, so for median and quartile deviation we need less than CF. So less than CF formula. So daily wages, these are the classes. So less than CF, less than CF, less than CF. So less than 100, these are frequency f. So less than 100 is 3. This column is 3. Then less than 200, 3 plus 8, it is 11. Less than 300, 11 plus 15, it is 26. Less than 400, 26 plus 20, 46. Less than 500, it is 81. Less than 600, 89, 109. Less than 700, it is 131. Less than 800, it is 149. Less than 900, it is 149, 150, 164, and less than 1000 it is 171, and this is n. This is equal to n. N is 171. Then n by 2 we need, for q1 we need n by 2. For q1 we need n by 4. N by 4 is 171 by 4. What is that? 416. Then 2. 42 plus 3 by 4. 4. N by 2 is 80, 85 plus half, and 3n by 4 is 3n by 4 is 3n by 4 it will be 3n by 4, so it is 171 into 3. So if we multiply this, 12, 126 plus 9 by 4, 9 by 4 we get 2 here, so it is 128 plus 1 by 4. So C1 here is C1 is for quartile, so where n by 4 lies. So 42 plus means this class, so this is C1. So this is C1. Then for C, for median, 85 plus is here, so it is C. This is for median, it is C. And for this 3n plus 3n by 4 it is 128. 128 is lying here. 128 is lying here, so this is C3. This is C3. So we are finding this value C1, C3 and C1, C3, and use this formula. This quartile. So L1 is lower limit of C1, L is length of C1, N is total frequency, F. So this formula L1 plus n by 4 minus F by this. So Q1 we find here. So Q1 is, so Q1 is equal to L1, lower limit of this it is 300, plus n by 4 it is 171 by 4, 171 by 4 minus cumulative frequency, it is 26, F, capital F1, divided by small f, frequency of C1, it is 20. It is 20 into length of C1, it is 100. So this is our lower quartile, is Q1. Then Q3 is 600, lower limit of C3 plus 3n by 4, it is 171 by 4, we write here. So Q3 is 600 plus 171 into 3 divided by 4, Then preceding class, it is frequency is 109, capital F, divided by small f is frequency of C3, and it is 22. This is 22 into 100, length of C3. And quartile deviation is, you compute this value, it is half Q3 minus Q1. So we are having quartile deviation. So find mean, find median and quartile deviation. So quartile deviation you have got, and median is from this data again. So median is now, median is equal to, lower limit is 500 of C plus n by 2 is 170, 1 by 4, 2 minus capital F is 81 divided by corresponding frequency is 28 into 100. So compute the value, we will get this median. So this is the way of finding Q1 and median. Now this one is find mean deviation from median. So mean deviation from median, so you need to find median first, then mean deviation. Mean deviation is the formula, this one, mean deviation from median, this one. So find median first, then xi minus median one column, then multiply by fi, then sum up this and this 1 by n. So let us erase this one, erase this. I will erase this one. Now let us see this one. So median, so if we see for this one, then median here is, lowest is, you have to write in ascending order. So minimum is 9, then 10, then after 10 it is 12, and then 14, and 16, and 18, 19, then 19, then 25, 28, 31. So 10 observations are there, so we choose these two. So 16 plus 18 divided by 2. So median is 16 plus 18 divided by 2 is equal to 17. Now we make one column. So these are xi, this is xi, and we make this column xi minus 17 modulus median. So 12 minus 17 is minus 5, it is 5. 14 minus 17 it is 3. 9 minus 17 it is 8. 10 minus 17 7. 25 minus 17 8. 31 minus 17 14. 18 minus 17, 1, 1, then 11 and 2. Then it is ungrouped data, so Fi is 1. So Fi is 1. So we just find this sum. So summation xi minus 17 is equal to, add this, it is 2, 4, 15, 29, then 30, 37, 44, 52, 55, 60. So this is 60, and mean deviation from median is 1 by 10 into 60 is equal to 6. So answer here is 6. Mean deviation from median is 6. Similarly, for this group data, we need less than CF, because we need to find median. So less than CF. So less than 24. Less than 24 it is 12. Less than 28 it is 27. Less than 32 it is 27 plus 19. It is 46. Then 20 less than 36 it is 4. 6 plus 8, 14. 74. Then less than 40 it is 78. 118. Less than 44 it is 16. 126. 166. Less than 48 it is 170. 200. Then 218. Then 228. Then 230. So this is n, and n by 2 is equal to 1, 1, 5. So C will be where 115 lies. 115 is less than this, so this is C. So we find this C is this. Then median is, so median is equal to, lower limit of C is L is 36 plus n by 2 is 115 minus, so this is 118 and previous one is 74 divided by corresponding frequency is 44 and length of class is 40 to 44. 44 is counted here, so again, so we omit one value, so 40, 41, 42, 43, so 4. This is length of class is 4. Now simplify this one, so it is equal to 36 plus, it is 115 minus 74, it is how much, 41, I think 41, then 4, this cancels, 11 is there, so it is 36 plus 41 by 11, it is 4 plus 1 by 11, so it is 40 plus 1 by 11. So this is median, and approximately, because we have to compute again, so we take the approximate value as 40. So this is median. Now we need to find xi. Our formula is this one. Our formula is this. So xi minus median and multiply by corresponding frequency. So here erase this one, this one, so make one column here, modulus xi minus 40. So xi are this. Xi, because it is group data, we need to find xi. So xi column is xi, mid value of this, so it is 22. 20 plus 24 divided by 2, it is 22. Then 26. Then just go on adding this, so it is 30, 34, 38, 42, 46, 50, 54, 58. So these are xi, mid value of these classes. Mid value of this. 20 plus 24 divided by 2, it is 22. 24 plus 28 divided by 2, it is 26, etc. Then xi minus 40. Xi minus 40. We are considering the absolute value, so it is 18. Then it is 14. And then it is 10. And then it is 6. 2, 6, 10, 14, and it is 18. Then you make another column, it is fi xi minus 40. So fi is 12, this is fi. So 12 into 18. So 12 into 18 is 6, 10, 21, 216. Then 15 into 14. 15 into 14 is 210. And 19 into 10, it is 190. 28 into 6, it is 168. 2 into 44, 88. Then 2 into 48, 96. 6 into 34, 204. Then 10 into 4, 18 into 10, it is 180. 10 into 14, it is 140. And 18 into 2, it is 36. Then sum up this. So add it, this 10, 24, 38, 8, 3, 6, 10, 27, 35, 41, 50, 52, and 5, it is 7, 9, 10, 11, 4, 15. So 1528. So mean deviation, also our answer is 1 by n. So answer is 1 by n. N is 230 and into this sum into 1528. Simplify it. and you'll have this answer value. So this is the way of finding mean deviation from median. So if we need to find mean deviation from mean, instead of finding median, you find mean and you will have it. So this is for mean deviation from mean. Same procedure. Here you found median, now you need to find mean. Make this column xi minus mean. Here it is 40, you approximated to some integral value and you have it.